Want to keep important files private when you store or share them? WinRAR can protect an archive with password-based encryption and can also hide the names of files inside it. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a secure WinRAR archive and the settings you should know about. First, choose the files or folder you want to protect. You can select multiple files in File Explorer, right-click them, and choose Add to Archive from the WinRAR menu. This opens the Archive Settings window where we can configure the security options. Before setting the password, choose your archive format. If you're using WinRAR's encryption features, the RAR format is a good choice. You can also create an encrypted zip archive, but the available security features can differ. For this tutorial, we'll use RAR. Now click Set Password. Enter a strong password, then enter it again to confirm. Use a long password that's difficult to guess, ideally combining several words with numbers and symbols. Don't use something obvious like your name or birthday. Here's an important option: encrypt file names. Turn this on if you don't want someone who has the archive to see the names of the files inside it without entering the password. This adds another layer of privacy, especially when the file names themselves contain sensitive information. WinRAR uses AES 256 encryption for password-protected RAR archives. When the password is applied, the archive contents are encrypted so they can't simply be opened without the correct password. So yeah, the password you choose is extremely important. Once your password and encryption settings are ready, click OK to close the password window, then click OK again in the main archive window. WinRAR will create the protected archive. Keep the original files somewhere safe until you've tested the new archive. Finally, test your archive. Close WinRAR, open the new RAR file, and try accessing the protected contents. You should be prompted for the password. Enter the correct password and confirm that your files open normally. And remember, WinRAR can't recover a forgotten password for you, and that's it. Set a strong password, encrypt file names when needed, and always keep your password secure.